Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a game list for your most played games on your PlayStation 5. So this is kind of like folders, but you need to rotate all the way to the game library right here. And then press options on the game you want to add. So let's find the game we want to add to our console storage. And let's go to Battlefield 6 if I can find it. Otherwise, go to your collection on the top. So I can see Battlefield 6 right here. I can press options on it and go to add to game list. So it'll give me the option under your collection. So here's Gears of War. Let's do this. Add a game list. Create a new game list. And then we can choose all the games we want. So this is Battlefield 6 beta. I'm still going to add this. Got Minecraft in here, Ready or Not, Call of Duty. And then let's go through here and just see if there's any other games. Battlefront 2 is pretty cool. Elder Scrolls Online, I play that a lot. All right, so I got like 5 or 6 different games in here. And Black Ops 4, I played that a lot. So let's go to add now. And then we can name it most played games or something like that. Let's go to FPS or most played. And then just type that in here. And then let's go to space. And then type in played. Now it's going to categorize all those games for us. So they're always at the top of the game library. So let's go to most played, A to Z, or most recent is probably the best. Go to confirm. All right, so you can see that game list under your collection all the time. So installed is just what's installed on your PlayStation. If we go to your collection, this is everything on your account. So you can see the game list up here, most played. And then we can rotate games in and out of here if we want to press options on it. Then you don't need to go through the entire game list just to find everything, and you can add more under here as well. So yeah, this is just my current play games, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.